Okay, today is a really exciting day because we got our fireplace. It is from Touchstone. Right there, you see our big giant box. And we're gonna open it up and check out what's inside. Farmer has to do all the jobs himself now because I just take videos of everything. Okay, so everything that came in the box was our whole unit, which looks awesome. It's already got the plug on it too. Plus, this little, we got a remote. And we got those little rocks wherever they went. Oh,
and mounting hardware.
We got them right there. The little rocks and the mounting hardware. It's everything we need. And instructions. Do you want me to talk?
No, that's fine. Okay, according to the instructions, we need to be pulling out 3 screws along the top here and 1 on each side to be able to remove this glass face, which is important to have removed for installation. There's a bracket. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of foam, but there's a whole bunch of screws. The ones you're supposed to remove are this one inside this bracket.
Where were the ones that you took off on the top?
The top was these 3 along here.
Okay.
You then lift straight up and out.
Oh, look at that.
Because as you can see, these on the side sit down on this bracket in these areas on the inside. But then here, they have little tabs. And you want this moved out of the way. You remove this foam and the log. You can throw the foam away, but you have to save the log because that's part of your fireplace.
Because we definitely want the logs. So this is the 60-inch version. They also have a 50, it says in the packet.
60, 72, 42, and 50.
60, 72, 42, and 50. And this one's the 60-inch.
Okay, the foam came out really easy. It's just wedged up in there so you can just pull it out. The log, you have to loosen these screws here, which allows this to slide up. For ease, you can retighten it real quick so it doesn't slide back down on you. I already did the other side, and then this rocks forward a little bit, and then back to get it to slide out. Different sizes. They want you to build in for a recessed mount. You build just a little bit wider than this box, so you have enough lumber to mount to, secure to, fasten to. You are not supposed to install onto a load-bearing wall, which we are not. And they want 1/4 inch, no more than 1/4 inch of the box that you prepare, no more than 1/4 inch wider than the fireplace. We do plan on recessing rather than mounting it directly to a wall, so I'll be pulling out these 3 screws that will pull off this bracket that is for installation onto a wall.
And it came with fun styrofoam toys back there for the kids.
And it slides right down because this lip hangs right there.
All right, here we have our box built. The inside is out of 2x4s. Oops, sorry. Gonna sit right on top of that. Put a little bit of the nice edging around the outside so we wouldn't have to put it behind after the fireplace is in. So we're gonna set the fireplace in next. Did you want to say anything profound? All right, put that sucker in there.
One thing we did notice, the instructions mention to save a 1/4 of an inch gap or stay within a 1/4 of an inch. That is very true because of all the different screws that are around the outside of this box. Make sure you have that extra space. It'll be a tight fit all the way in. We also are planning on wrapping a little border around the outside because our TV sticks out a little bit. So I got some plywood. I go behind it, screw it in right there. Same as the other side, to hold it out the same. Then we can wrap and not have any problems.
Putting the logs in, make it look real. This thing's really not very heavy. He only has to attach it right there and on the other side too.
Because it's recessed.
Because it's recessed, yes.
One thing to note, the screws that comes with it, the hardware, is when you are mounting to a stud, through drywall, whatever it is, because we're putting on this shiplap and this spacer for a future wrap for border, I'm going with longer screws to make sure that it anchors in to the wall.
Nice. It's okay, buddy. Are you scared of the... You're scared of the sound?
Want to help me? Alright. And that's that. We can set on the glass.
Moment of truth.
See how the brackets are angled, have the little holes, whatever you want to call it. They sit in on this plastic. Same way as we took it off, but opposite. Start high, get it lined up, push it back. I can get my fingers out of the way. And it sets right down in. Ta-da!
And then brush off all the white foamy thingies, right? There we go. Look on the wall behind it.
Got the northern lights to the west.
Changing colors. Yeah. There we go. Oh, that looks real sharp. That is nice. So this fireplace has lights. It also has a heater on the bottom, and so the whole base of it will blow out hot air. And you can set it to an individual color, or you can set it to changing colors like it's doing right now, which is really fun.
It's colorful.
It is.